Welcome to Meru International School, the core of which is nurturing each child to transcend and succeed. We believe in encouraging creative and critical thinking in our learners by becoming more self-aware and by developing logical reasoning skills.
For us, the physical, social and personal safety of each and every child at Meru is of utmost importance. We have taken all the necessary precautions to prevent any untoward incident from happening, thus providing a safe and joyful journey from home to home.
The entire school is cleaned and disinfected at regular intervals. Systematic inspections of water and sanitation facilities are being conducted at Meru to ensure that we adhere to the highest standards of safety.
We at Meru pledge to provide a clean and safe environment for everyone. The washrooms are cleaned and maintained regularly. They are specially designed to be differently able friendly.
Our infirmary is equipped to handle medical emergencies, and the basic medicine kit is available in the infirmary. We also have documents of individual medical history to use in case of emergency and a doctor on call.
We are supported by our well-trained staff members having a strong work ethic. They constantly seek to upgrade themselves by attending regular professional development trainings.
Our clean, colorful, well-ventilated and spacious classrooms with a lot of natural light inspire learning. The positive, motivating, responsive and happy classrooms are where our children feel secure.
With high-speed internet connectivity in all the classrooms, our teachers are well equipped to handle online as well as offline classes.
Sports play a major role in shaping one's personality and maintaining good health. It helps to build self-confidence and a high self-esteem in the children, at the same time enhancing their leadership and social skills. Our specially developed sports environment matches international standards and boasts of highly trained coaches. The sports facilities give our students a truly global experience and helps them to excel in a variety of sports.
There are spacious and dedicated rooms for our extracurricular activities. We have aesthetically designed art and music rooms which foster the creativity of our students. Our dedicated music teachers cultivate the interest in children and own their talents.
The highly qualified teachers of the Supportive Instruction Unit systematically search to identify the areas of improvement and prioritize help and guide each student in academic and behavioral aspects of life.
Our students and staff have access to a highly structured library that boasts of more than 8,000 plus books and magazines.
The state-of-the-art labs in our school combine academic experience with practical learning. Our math lab has multiple teaching and learning aids for hands-on learning experiences.
Our interactive social studies lab promotes practical as well as theoretical learning and helps children to visualize the learned concepts. The ICT lab provides a computer-aided learning process for all.
We strongly believe in teaching children how to think and not what to think. The physics lab is an integral part of learning for our curious minds. They are always eager to explore more in the world of physics by asking questions, performing procedures, collecting and analyzing data, answering questions, and thinking of new questions to explore. The lab is spacious and well ventilated, and it ensures proper availability of light in it. There are a number of equipment to facilitate learning, such as lenses and prisms, beam balance, magnifiers, measuring equipment, magnetic equipment, to name a few. The child-friendly workstations enable the children to work in groups and share ideas.
In our advanced chemistry lab, our students get a first-hand learning experience by performing various experiments on their own under the watchful eyes of their facilitators. These experiments help the students to understand the otherwise complex theories of science and develop their logical, reasoning, and self-management skills, and has some of the most accurate digital measuring instruments.
The latest lab supplies and equipment in the biology lab makes it interesting and engaging for students. The laboratory teachings encourage deeper understanding of the concepts in students. Our students study detailed structures, morphological and physiological aspects of plants and animals. The lab facilitates the study of slides under the microscopes. All in all, our biology lab kindles a natural curiosity of our learners towards nature.
The MCLAB program is integrated into most subject lesson plans and has block periods allocated to it for its implementation right from preschool to senior secondary. The primary years, the child learns team building, collaborative, socio-emotional skills, hard and smart working, positive attitude skills, and many more which are required to build a great institution and a great society.
Beyond academics, Meru has a distinctive and exclusive life program which aims at getting our students future-ready MCLAB. MCLAB is a unique learning opportunity for kids to equip themselves in leadership and life skill for a successful life ahead. Please do come and visit us at Meru. It would be our absolute pleasure to show you around. Come, experience it yourself.